Hi everyone, in front of me I've got POCO F7 Ultra, and let me share with you how to change the 3 buttons navigation into the gestures in this device. So obviously I've got the gestures currently applied, but let me simply show you where you can find the proper options. So after entering the settings, we have to scroll to find the home screen. And now let's enter system navigation. So let's pretend I've got the buttons set. We've got 3 buttons navigation, and before you will set the gestures, as you can see, you can customize the buttons, so you can reorder them. For example, you can mirror the back button and the recent. You can set some kind of button shortcuts, and you can automatically disable navigation buttons. You can customize the buttons, and you can set the gestures just by tapping on this animation here. You can go through the tutorial, just tap on learn. However, I don't want to do it, and I will also show you how to use the gestures. So instead of the 3 buttons, we've got this line which is responsible for some gestures. We can hide it if you want to, just by tapping on the switcher. It's totally up to you how you prefer to have it. And here we've got the gesture confirmation, which means that sometimes, for example, during playing a game or watching a video, you'll have to confirm your gestures, so just double make it, let's say. Alright, so in order to get back to the previous page, just like by using the back button, you have to swipe your finger from the side to the center. You will see this arrow, and you can release the finger, so we will go back. And the same situation from the left side. If you'd like to get back directly to the home page, swipe your finger from the bottom to the center of your device, and make sure that this motion is quick and short. Like that. And if you want to open the recent, repeat the gesture, but hold your finger somewhere here, like that. And here you've got the recent. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.